ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു മൈ ചാനൽ. അപ്പോൾ ഞാനിന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് 2017 നടന്ന LDC മുഴുവൻ ജില്ലകളിലെയും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ആൻസർ ഒരൊറ്റ വീഡിയോയിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യമായിട്ട് തിരുവനന്തപുരം മലപ്പുറം LDC എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ചോദ്യപേപ്പറാണ്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, 10,000 rupees dash a large sum. Supply appropriate verb is. None of them attended the function. Use proper tag. Did they? A dash of cattle is passing through the forest. A herd of cattle. The workers built a bridge. Change into passive voice. A bridge was built by the workers. She speaks French very good. Correct the sentence. She speaks French very well. The high price surprised him. The underlined word belongs to which parts of speech? Adjective. Tom said, I am leaving for Madras tomorrow. Report the sentence. Answer. Tom said that he was leaving for Madras the next day. Correct word among the following series. Q. I couldn't tolerate her behavior. Find out the appropriate phrasal verb for the underlined word. Tolerate, put up with. My brother works in a large office, whereas I work on my own at home. She sits dash an armchair, in an armchair. She has hit the nail on the head while speaking to her relatives. Find out the meaning of the underlined idiom. Hit the nail on the head എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ said exactly the right thing. I dash a lot of friends while I was working in Bombay. I met. Had I known this, I would have kept him at a distance. The old man who lives in my neighborhood is a university professor. The prefix anti is used to denote which of the following word? Against. There are plans to rebuild the town hall, but it dash not happen for another 5 years. It may not happen. Ram and Sham are friends. The former is short, but the dash is very stout. Latter. രണ്ടാമത്തേത് എന്നർത്ഥം വരുന്നത്. Either Rajesh or his friends dash come, have come. Either ആവുമ്പം രണ്ടാമത്തെ സബ്ജക്റ്റിനനുസരിച്ചാണ് വെർബ് വരുന്നത്. Have. The meaning of the term nota bene, noted carefully and important. ഓക്കെ, ഇത്രയാണ് ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം മലപ്പുറത്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ LDCക്ക് ചോദിച്ച ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. കൊല്ലം, തൃശൂർ, കാസർഗോഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ദ ഒപ്പോസിഷൻ പാർട്ടി ഡാഷ് എ സ്ട്രൈക്ക്. ആൻസർ, കോൾ ഫോർ. He belongs to a dash family. Gentile family. Would you mind dash of the fan? Switching. The feminine gender of lad. Lass. If you went there, you could see it. Tagore is one of the greatest poets of modern India. Convert into comparative degree. Tagore is greater than many other poets of modern India. B. Every adult has the right to marry dash. Add proper tag question. Having they. If you dash, I would have trained you. If you had wanted. I met him dash my uncle's home. At. Have you read Othello? The teacher asked me. Change into report speech. The teacher asked me whether I had read Othello. He will certainly help the poor. Change into passive voice. The poor boy will be helped by him. Of the two pens, the red one is the best. D. Answer D. The best. അതായത് ഇവിടെ എറർ ഉണ്ട്. എറർ ഡി പോർഷനിലാണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, പിക്ക് ഔട്ട് ദ കറക്റ്റ്ലി സ്പെൽഡ് വേർഡ്. Anesthesia. The idiom swan song means the last public performance of an artist or athlete. The synonym of dismal, gloomy. Pick out the one word for a secret arrangement. Collusion. As you are already here and you can surely do the work. Convert into a simple sentence. Being here already, you can surely do the work. The word ex parte means one-sided. Antonym of the word idiocy. Sagacity. Idiocyയുടെ antonym sagacity. Dash of flowers. Pick out the right collective noun. Garland of flowers. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ഇത്രയാണ് കൊല്ലം, തൃശ്ശൂർ, കാസർഗോഡിൽ ചോദിച്ച ചോദ്യം. അടുത്തതായി നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് എറണാകുളം, കണ്ണൂർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആണ്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം, ഹി ഓർഡർഡ് ഹിസ് സെർവൻറ്റ് ടു ഗോ ഹോം. ദ ലീവ്സ് ഡാഷ് as the window blew. The leaves rustled. The bird in hand is worth two in the bush. The marriage party dash at dawn. Set off. The president was especially happy to visit the school because it was his alma mater. Shut the door is a dash sentence. Imperative sentence. The doctor prescribed an ointment. The patient dash it according to instruction. Applied. Arun's father's eldest brother is his favorite uncle. Can you lend me a pen, please? Yes, you can. The speaker drew the attention of the audience dash the burning issues. 2. One who talks in sleep is somniloquent. The train started after we dash for about an hour. Had played. He would not have failed if he dashed enough money. Had. A government controlled by the rich. Plutocracy. Write the correct meaning of the idiomatic expression a big bug. A person of importance. The correctly spelled word below is discrimination. The opposite of innocent is guilty. The rider dashed his horse to victory. Rode. One of the men dash reached the top of the mountain. Has reached. She has finished her work. Hasn't she? ഓക്കെ, അപ്പം ഇത്രയാണ് എറണാകുളം, കണ്ണൂർ LDCക്ക് ചോദിച്ച ചോദ്യം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ ആലപ്പുഴ, ഇടുക്കി, കോഴിക്കോട്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, റോബർട്ട് വാസ് inattentive dash he had a car accident. So, the white car is dash more expensive than the green. Slightly. Peter dashed his homework before the teacher arrived. Had completed. A dash of monkeys entered from forest and destroyed the crops. Tribe of monkeys. Dash the weather forecast, the city was hit by huge sandstorm. Despite. The bomb dashed near the busy vegetable market. Went off. Choose the sentence with correct order. Why can't we have a cup of soup at first? Let's read a new story. Shall we? The deeper she studied, the greater she understood. Choose the correctly spelled word. Accommodate. ACCOMMODATE. We live in dash big house with a white door. The. If you throw the knife, I will get down. Synonym of kind-hearted is benevolent. Dutch courage means courage induced by alcohol. The police asked where his home was. Antonym of compulsory is voluntary. Teachers should dash their students to be responsible members of society. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ക്യാൻസൽഡ് ആണ്. This question also cancelled. Okay. അടുത്തത് the editor was editing an important news. The passive form of this sentence is an important news was being edited by the editor. My daughter was rejoiced hearing the result at. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് ആലപ്പുഴ, ഇടുക്കി, കോഴിക്കോട് ചോദിച്ച ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ പത്തനംതിട്ട, പാലക്കാട്. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം. Choose the correct answer from the given options. They haven't spent the night there. Decide which part of the speech is underlined. Adverb. Monkeys are dash learners than elephants. Faster. The train runs at a speed of 65 kilometers an hour. You should decide which one of the three choices, A, B or C, best dash the question. Answers. Everybody has attended the conference. Haven't they? Joy Thomas dashed the marathon for the first time in 2009. Ran. She wouldn't have yawned the whole day if she dashed late last night. Hadn't stayed up. We often go fishing dash the river bank. Alone. She has 3 children dash her first husband. By. Priya said to him, why are you working so hard? Choose the correct reported speech of the direct speech given above. Priya asked him why he was working so hard. അടുത്ത vocabulary ആണ്. Choose the correct answer. A dash of geese was heard a mile away. A. ഇവിടെ ആൻസർ ഇല്ല. None of the above. Dash money is invested by experienced investors who know about what they are doing. Smart. Choose the synonym of imbecile. Misappropriate. Find the antonym of quiescent from the following. Active. My parents told me that I would have to dash them when they become old. Use appropriate phrasal verb from the following. Look after. Find a word suitable for the expression, the style in which a writer makes a display of his knowledge. Pedantic. Choose the correctly spelled word from among the following. Ignominious. Choose the meaning of the given idiom. To pick holes. To criticize someone. Many medications have other dash besides the intended one. Effects. Thousands of people have taken part in a dash democracy demonstration. Choose the correct prefix from the following. Pro. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് പത്തനംതിട്ട പാലക്കാട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ വയനാട് കോട്ടയം നോക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Will you lend me few rupees in this hour of need? Lend me a few rupees. One word has been misspelled. Find the misspelled word. Psychiatrist. Choose the exact opposite of the underline from the options. Mortal. Immortal. Choose the appropriate word to be filled. Man does not live by dash alone. Bread. Which of the following is opposite in meaning of the word grieve? Rejoice. Which of the following is similar in meaning of the word bestowed? Conferred. A tree always has leaves. Choose the word which can be substituted words used in ancient times but no longer in general use now. Archaic. Choose the word which can be substituted. The custom of having more than one husband at the same time. Polyandry. No sooner he had returned home than his mother felt happy. Had he returned home then? Next. What is the time dash your watch? In your watch. Sorry, by your watch aane. I prefer coffee to tea. Mistakes are dash for us to change. There. Use the correct tense. I dash bracket work for 2 hours and I am now tired. Have been working. If you would have succumbed to his pressure, we could have lost faith in you. If you had error correction, though his actions were severe criticized, he did not lose his temper. Were severely criticized എന്ന് വേണം. He failed in his attempt to disperse the mob before the miscreants sets the fire on the bus. Set fire to the bus എന്നാണ് വേണ്ടത്. Yogic exercises and meditation seems to be of help. Modern men and women deal effectively with anxiety. Seems to help എന്നല്ല. The man fed the girl. Change into passive voice. The girl was fed by the man. John said, I go out too often. Change into indirect speech. John said that he went out too often. അപ്പോൾ ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇത്രയാണ് നമ്മുടെ 2017 നടന്ന മുഴുവൻ ജില്ലകളിലെയും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻഡ് ആൻസേഴ്സ്. അപ്പം ഇതുപോലെ വ്യത്യസ്തമായിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോയുമായിട്ട് ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും വരുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പം ഇതുവരെ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക്